Back in Antigua, it was time to do some truck maintenance, and some puppy cuddling, of course, before we headed to the beach for one last night of camping and enjoying all our new Guatemalan friends, as well as a quick training session before we flew back to the U.S. for Overland Expo.
Little runt. Yeah. So I think we found the leak. There's actually a weld, and in the weld was an air bubble. It's probably one of the welds I did, not Brent's. But there was a little air bubble, and that was letting through just the tiniest amount of fuel. But when the tank got pressurized, when it gets hot out, it was pushing through more and more. So it was not even dripping to the ground, but the bottom of the tank was wet, and you smelled fumes. So it didn't inspire confidence, that's for sure. So we're pumping fuel. You can hear the pump pumping. We're trying to pump fuel out of this auxiliary tank into the main tank, so it's lower than that hole, and that way we should be able to repair it without it, as it's drying, having stuff come. So I don't know, be curious what people think. You can let me know what your opinion is in the comments. I'm trying to decide between JB Weld and Quick Steel. We did JB Weld on a breather up here that we had cracked. We bumped it when we were off-roading, and I repaired it with JB Weld, and the JB Weld maybe a month later was like coming loose from the steel. So we repaired it the second time with Quick Steel, and it's been doing well. So is Quick Steel that much better than JB Weld?
We're headed to the beach.
We are.
It's gonna be hot at the beach, but
Yeah, it should be fun. And then we head to Guatemala City tomorrow.
Yep. And then we fly. And then we work.
And then we
come back.
Then we work. And then we come back.
So all of this is because of a volcano. The eruption. I don't know what the volcano is called.
Yeah,
I remember hearing about it. Yeah. It's pretty crazy.
Yeah. Like
massive.
how deep it is. You see the ground is there and it has kind of like,
Yeah, it just like melts everything away.
So crazy.
The
And
contrast too, yeah.
I don't know how far it's going.
Oh. Yeah, nature is just... We made it to the beach, we grabbed some food, and Tim got a little bit of teaching in as we waited for the arrival of Byron. He was our friend of a friend that had introduced us to Jose and Kaisa.
Yeah, what's up with that? I want to be like my buddy, Zeus.
We are here and we're finally able to start some training. It's a little difficult with not being fluent in Spanish, but we have some people that can help translate, so I think it's going okay. But I'll show you a little sneak peek of Tim teaching. driving.
A 1.8Z equipped with an H55 transmission, 80 series.
And do you like it?
I like it a lot. I'd like it more if the gauges worked, like in a permanent sense, you know, but power is great. Feels good. Doesn't feel underpowered at all. Now I'm in low range, but...
After the test drive, we spent the rest of the afternoon relaxing with friends.
Goose is gonna go into storage.
Put him to bed. It's funny, right now it feels good. The moment I'm walking away from it, it's not gonna feel good. But we're driving, show them the beautiful truck in front of us. Drive behind Wyvern's awesome Defender 110 double cab pickup truck on like 35 or 37 inch Maxxis mud terrains. Pretty cool truck. Breathing in a lot of diesel smoke.
Just in general.
We're parking it at his old house. He stores his other car there. A beautiful air-cooled Porsche 911, 1986, I believe it is. So yeah, we're gonna put Goose there next to the 911, and leave him, and then fly out.
He's gonna be all by himself. But
We got a day and a half until we hit the plane at 7 a.m.
Yep.
And have a long day. Hit security at 5 a.m.
Yeah.
Get up at 4 a.m.
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah, looking forward to seeing friends though.
And family.
It's gonna be tiring.
Friends and family.
Yes.
We prepared Goose for storage, packed up what we needed, and said goodbye to our buddy.
Guatemala City, and we're taking Goose to be stored away for 3 weeks while we fly to North
Are we in
Carolina.
video? Okay, hold on. I had to normalize my face. Normally like that, but for the video, if I stress my muscles hard, I can look normal, like this.
You're so weird.
I'm tired today, so I can't really do it. The one is super vocal. Or is it different ones each time? I think it's,
Look at him
the
growl.
one is super vocal, like.
Yeah, this one is whining all the time with the black dots.
Yeah,
the white
yeah.
one. Yes.
Talking.
With the brown dots, he's very adventurous.
Yeah, he's all over the place.
And then the little white guy is just hanging out.
Yes,
He's a little
but
runt.
she's sometimes very angry.
Really? I like their little growls too. Yeah, like.